Welcome to your go-to guide on making a passive income through Airbnb rental arbitrage. So if you've ever wondered how to earn money from properties you don't own, you are actually in the right place. So stick around as we dive into a step-by-step method that's perfect for beginners. Let's unlock the secret to boosting your income with Airbnb starting right now. What I'm about to share with you, I'm the living example of this business model. I've built a property portfolio worth £2 million, and you can see this proof on Companies House. I've also leased properties from landlords. So what exactly is Airbnb rental arbitrage? In simple terms, it's the practice of renting a property long term and then re-renting it out on Airbnb for a shorter duration at a higher rate, exactly like how hotels work. Think of this as a hotel in a house, flat or apartment. So actually you can even do like a room in your apartment which you live in. You can rent out your room. So this is a fantastic way to generate an income without owning the property. But don't worry, this is completely legal as long as you have clear agreements with the property owner and you understand the local laws concerning the short-term rentals. Why consider Airbnb rental arbitrage? First of all, the income potential is significant. You can often earn more from short-term rentals than the traditional traditional buy-to-let. Plus, this model is scalable. You can start with one. As you learn the ropes, you can expand to multiple properties and in multiple locations. Lastly, it offers flexibility, so you choose the locations and the properties that best fit your strategy and optimize to make it profitable. So getting started might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you actually think. So the first thing you need to do is research. So you look into areas with high tourist traffic or a lot of business demand with construction going on. A search where hotels are being built could be a step, because these companies spend millions on marketing, so you can leverage that. So the next step is to secure your rental unit that allows you to operate a serviced accommodation on platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com. So making sure you get the right list and the right agreement with the landlord by the rules. Because for example, in Scotland, where we currently reside, you need a license to operate short-term rentals, and in London there is a 90-day rule, so you need to abide by those. And final, when you actually abided by the rules and you've set it up, you can start welcoming guests in your property. However, to maximize your earnings, it's all about making your listing stand out. You can do this by smart pricing, which is pricing competitively, analyzing other Airbnb listings in your area. You enhance your guest experiences by providing exceptional services. You can give local guides. A well-maintained space can actually increase your bookings. Plus, this is a marketing business, so you need to actually have high quality photos and engage in descriptions, and you can use AI these days like ChatGPT to create descriptions for you. So yes, there are pitfalls in this business, like it's just like any business, there is ups and downs. So in terms of this, if you can consider hiring a property manager who will look into your property for you. But remember, this will eat into your profits. So if you're ready to start your Airbnb journey, no better time than to explore the opportunities that await. Dive in, and who knows, you might just be your next success story. So just to elaborate further, I have a 10-day Airbnb crash course which provides in-depth details of everything I've shared with you in this video. So click on the description to join the community, and don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, share this video with friends who might be interested. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in